So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add elements to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once you open up Canva, you may be greeted to this screen right here. You have your typical, your page right here. You have this bar on the left-hand side. Just for this example, let's make the background. How about I make it green? Just like that. Now, if you want to add elements to your design, it's fairly straightforward. Just go to the left-hand side of your screen, press on the elements tab right here, just hover over top of it to open up this bar. Then you can, add a whole bunch of different elements to your design. So you can go ahead and add shapes, graphics, polls and quizzes, AI image generator, tables, photos, etc., videos as well. So for example, if you wanted to add, we'll add a sticker right here of this snake, just like that. This is a wonderful element to add. If you wanted to add a shape as well, we can go press on see all. We can add, whatever shape to our design, just like that. I'll just do this design right here. And if you wanted to make one more thing as well, how about we add under recently is we use these eyes right here. So this is my masterpiece, a whole bunch of different elements at your disposal. And you can go ahead and play with this whatever way you want, right? There's frames, there's grids, there's mockups, collections, etc. at your disposal under the elements tab. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to add elements to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.